So the rock garden at 4WheelParts here in Reno is pretty dope for a quick shred. One of the coolest things is we can go there on our lunch break and, generally speaking, get it back on time. So the first section is easy. It's a nice icebreaker. Then things heat up a little bit, and I bet right around the middle, the guys on 33s are starting to kind of freak out a little bit. Now the end is where it's at for me. I start to drag a little metal, I start to spin a little tire, and things kind of get a little dramatic for me. It's just right, just my level. Then you dive off the rocks right back into the parking lot and poof, just like that, you're back to reality.